Hello and welcome back to Techie Expert. I am Alicia and today we have a very fascinating personality with us whose name is Prashant. He is into cyber security, he's into this industry from many years and he is quite inspiring. He is also a chief security officer at InstaSafe. So Prashant, welcome to Techie Expert and thank you so much for your precious time.
Thank you, Alicia, for your wonderful introduction. Thank you so much.
Oh, welcome. So, Prashant, I want you to tell our audience what InstaSafe is all about and what it does. So, our audience get an idea what we are going to talk about in this video.
Okay, so InstaSafe, in fact, we started this company in the year 2012, and we are a cybersecurity company. And what exactly we do, and in today's world, is the zero trust network access. What a T means is, for a general audience or anybody for that matter, like imagine you wanted to work from home. How do you work from home to access your corporate applications? You need a secure connectivity back to a data center, back to your application wherever they are residing. That is exactly what we do. It also connect back to our corporate applications securely and remotely wherever you are. That is exactly what we do it.
Okay, that's really amazing. So, I want to know what was the idea behind InstaSafe? How did you come up with this idea?
See, when we started this company in the year 2012, we're a bunch of folks from the cybersecurity background. We thought that, okay, how to make this cybersecurity very, very simple. So at that point in time, actually, the cloud was just penetrating into an Indian market in the year 2012 and 13. That means like Azure data centers were coming up, Amazon data centers were coming up. There were initial data center were coming up. We thought that we can mount our the heavy duty boxes on the cloud and started delivering the cybersecurity solutions to the market. Our main motto was actually, how do we eliminate an operation complexity? That was a single motto to start this company, and we started delivering this solution via the cloud at that point in time. And we were struggling a lot initially to educate the customer, to educate the operations guy, educate an IT manager, CISO, and everyone. So what is that all about actually, and how do you deliver this cloud security solutions to the market? As and when the time passes, like after 3 years or 4 years, this has become a household name. And when cloud started becoming more and more penetrating back in India, this has become a routine or a norm for anybody, for any cybersecurity head or a CISO or a CIO to make them actually the delivered solution back into the market. That made us to start this company, and simplicity was our goal when we started this company.
Okay, that's really amazing. So, what was the idea behind the name InstaSafe?
Instantly secure any corporate assets wherever you are. That means corporate instantly I'll use secure all your applications, whether it's in a data center, on premise, or an applications hosted in third party data center. That's the name behind it, why we coined it instantly safe.
Okay, that's interesting actually. So, how did your company differentiate itself from other cybersecurity companies?
So if you ask me, okay, so we are only the Indian company. Currently the only APAC, we're Gartner recognized, Deloitte recognized actually, where, every company, if you ask me, any cybersecurity company, if you ask any cybersecurity leader, he'll be able to resonate well that all the companies gets born in Israel. So we are the company. Right now, many major startups have also started born in even out of India also. At that point in time, we are hardly 4 or 5 actually. So that is an uniqueness, and we thought, okay, it's a bunch of guys actually this company can go to the global scale, and that is what we made. To start this company, and what we have delivered back to the market.
Okay. So, I want to know what are the cybersecurity tips and tricks for IT teams to help with the growing cybersecurity threats?
You know that, if you ask me, actually, there is a ransomware, there is a malwares, there is an hackers which will be attacking the multiple assets, digital assets, and everything. So if you ask me what are the cyber tips has to be given to an IT managers or the bond leadership or a CIOs, or it could be an operation leader who manages the large data center, and for everybody, he need to constantly periodically check that. It's like how do I say, and a cop and a thief, sometimes a thief will be head of a cop and sometimes cop will be head of that. See, constantly we need to monitor those data center, constantly we need to monitor your configuration, constantly we need to monitor your applications, periodically check your applications. Even then attack happens also, there should be a proper backup has to be done, all your data and everything, so that even if a breach happens in your data center or at your premises, you should be able to recover back at the faster pace. So prevention is a better cure, what we can say that.
Okay. So what has so far surprised you in this industry?
Come again, I did not get that.
What has surprised you in this industry? Like you haven't thought that this kind of thing even existed, or you have been surprised by it?
See, when we started this company, initially we were just a cloud delivered solution. As and when we started moving towards the market, we have become a category creation in the market. We have done disperse the market, the complete hardware we have replaced in the market. So that made us actually, gel together and made us as a world-class leader, going forward. That is what it is.
Okay. So, what is InstaSafe roadmap ahead, and what is the vision of your next 5 years? What your InstaSafe is going to do?
See, the lot of roadmaps related to the products also, related to the geography also. So currently we are India centric, and here and there the spokes are available even in EMEA and UK also, and we wanted to expand to the global market. So we are already present in North America markets. We wanted to take it to the deep dive to the UAE market as well as EMEA as well as other parts of the country. So we have started hiring the multiple consultants, multiple sales guys, multiple product guys across the globe, and say that make this company take it to the north and make this a world-class product to the global level also. So that is an expansion what we had in next 3 to 5 years.
Okay, that's really amazing. So what are the services your InstaSafe provide? Like as you mentioned about the products, so what are they?
So these products is basically into the cater to the market of an access markets, what we typically call in an IT language, it's zero trust network access. That is one product category what we have, and we also have got a sister concern what is called the SafeAS. What SafeAS basically does is actually the bug bounty program. It's a crowdsourced set of hackers. Before actual hackers attack it to any of the applications or any of the data center, if a customer wanted to see that how does an attack can be prevented, so that is where we do it in a well in advance, and how the attack can be prevented well in advance.
Okay.
So these are the product and the services what we have got it in the market.
Okay, that's cool. So what advice would you like to give to people who are just entering cybersecurity industry?
Okay, so anybody entering to the cybersecurity industries, or whoever it is for that matter, actually, whether it's a fresher or it could be an old age person, or it could be an IT manager or anybody for that matter, actually, don't get gets bogged away with there is a ransomware attack, there is an anomaly attack, there is an hacker attack. Actually see that actually the precautions are taken well in advance. That means if there are any change configuration to be done at the data center, you do it also. If there is periodic checks has to be done, please do it also. If you want to do periodic backups, I see them periodic backups has to be taken, because many people don't take a backup. Even though attack happens, you will be able to recover the data. Now you know that data is the new oil actually. So that means that if something happens to our data center, something happens to a laptop or thing, data is must. So how do you recover it back actually? For all those viewers, for all those guys, actually you back up your data. Even ransomware attack happens, first is the prevention. If prevention doesn't happen, even attack happens also. How do you prevent all those things? By these aspects, like a change configuration, or it could be like periodic checks and everything. You need to do it well in advance.
Okay, so few words for techie expert.
So whether it could be tech experts or it could be viewers, it's one and the same. In fact, what I wanted to tell you folks is also, you also use multiple mobiles, you also use the data, you also use the computer. So data you need to back up. Even ransomware attack or an phishing attack or any type of an attack, it happens. Prevention is a better cure. If something happens also, do a periodic checks. That means that use the best of the best antivirus, best of the best EDRs, and that is endpoint security, best of the best zero trust solutions, and best of the best firewall solutions, best of and best IPS solutions. If even all those in place, also know how to manage all these solutions at the data center and manage your organization to the fullest possible extent.
Okay, that was very informative. So Prashant, thank you so much for your precious time.